How to delete an Instagram photo from multiple photos. First, open your Instagram app. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom. Now open the post that has multiple photos. This post has 4 photos. I want to remove the first one. To do that, tap on the 3 dots menu. From the list, select Edit. You can see the delete icon here. Tap on it. Tap on delete again to confirm. Now see, first photo has removed from the post. When you are done, tap on the check mark at the top. And that's it. This is how you can delete an Instagram photo from multiple photos.